actor. I would like to talk about some bad acting, Ron Haskell. When you are sane and someone lists off all these awful charges against you and you feel the gravity of what you've done, you collapse and you fall, because that's what happens. When you're insane, like the Oklahoma City bomber or the Aurora killer, you sit there like nothing happened and it's just another day. He's clearly sane. He's clearly aware of what he did, and this was all it was all premeditated. It's not from some weird philosophy. Someone hurt him and he hurt back in an awful way.
Liz, Judy, I like the way Ginger summarized that. Someone hurt him, he hurt back. It is immature. It also suggests that there's a brain issue or character logic issue that is not treatable. Do you agree?
Absolutely, Dr. Drew. I believe that he has antisocial personality disorder, or he is a psychopath. And what does that mean about their brain activity? That means that psychopaths tend to have low arousal. It's like they have lower skin conductance, they have a low resting pulse rate. And what that means is they actually need more stimulation to feel normal, and they achieve it in very dangerous ways. So for us, we just eat a piece of chocolate, we get excited. For somebody like this, their brain is constantly low, and they're not going to learn, Dr. Drew, because they've actually done tests like this in prison on people who are designated psychopaths. And they don't even learn when you're doing something with shock therapy to try to get them to learn to have a different behavior. They don't learn. Their brain is not normal.
Right.
And I know you can talk more about this.
Now it's a sort of a perfect storm of environment with brain issues, and however he got there, he's there. Yeah. And that's that. And let's call it, you can put any name you want on it, Sam. I don't care. It's all the same thing. You can call it evil. You could call it possessed. You could call it psychopathy. We're all talking about the same thing and using different words.